Damion Crawford, the opposition spokesman on education, recently stirred controversy at the Jamaica Association of Principals of Secondary Schools conference in Trelawney by suggesting a 1% increase in the General Consumption Tax, GCT, to generate additional funds for the education sector. However, the People's National Party, PNP, quickly distanced itself from Crawford's comments, clarifying that his remarks do not reflect the party's official stance. The PNP assured the public that there would be no tax increases under their administration, emphasizing that Crawford's comments were merely an exploration of ideas. Crawford's proposal has sparked significant public outcry, particularly from those already feeling the pinch of high living costs. Food is already expensive in Jamaica, and GCT affects essential items like groceries, one concerned citizen remarked. Where are we supposed to find the extra money to pay more tax? Adding to the frustration is the fact that many salaried employees are already contributing a 1% educational tax from their paychecks. This tax is meant to support the education sector, yet it seems not everyone is sharing this burden. Self-employed individuals, such as barbers, cook shop operators, street vendors, and entrepreneurs, typically only pay GCT and not the educational tax. This discrepancy has led to calls for a more equitable tax system that considers the contributions and capacities of all types of workers. As the debate continues, the PNP's firm stance against raising taxes aims to reassure the public, but Crawford's comments have undoubtedly ignited a critical conversation about funding education and the fairness of Jamaica's tax system.